to the presenters, our teachers and school heads, to our program management team, to our care officers, of course, to our municipal and city research committee key officers, to our secretariat, Ma'am Cindy Alejandrino, to our chairperson, Ma'am Lara T. Padal, to our advisor, Ma'am Gregoria S. Atas, a beautiful and pleasant morning to all. First and foremost, advance congratulations to the whole team for this activity. Thank you for contributing much to the research culture of Maragondon. Thank you in advance because you are doing this to ensure that Maragondon has sure entries in the upcoming division conference. By the way, we will try to conduct our division conference on December, but if the situation will not permit us, we will have it early next year. As the data tells us, not all local researchers were able to finish their papers. If there were 10 research proposals, only 3 of those proposals will be able to present their papers in the division level. That is what the local data tells us. This is alarming considering that each proposal is given much time, effort, and attention, and at this point, if they stop doing their research, there is no assurance that they can still recycle this proposal in the next research cycle. Just like in 2019, there were around 300 proposals that did not pursue. And these proposals were fit for the new normal. When the pandemic struck, these researchers were not able to recycle these 300 proposals completely. So imagine the collective time and effort wasted there. Well, what I'm trying to say is that the needs and the problems are shifting very fast. And that is not only true in other fields, but also in the field of education. We change our priorities based on the changing times, and what is needed now might not be the things needed tomorrow. What is cool yesterday is no longer a buzz today. For us researchers, the best response to the fast-pacing times is to continue and sustain our researches. We cannot stop now because if we stop, we will miss a lot of things. One of the examples is that, did you know that APA referencing has already a new edition? Some researchers, especially those who stop researching for, like, let's say at least a year, were not familiar that there is already the 7th edition of APA. Few who did not research for a long time were not aware of the softwares that were helpful in writing research. Like right now, there are websites where you can key in just the URL of the website, and the reference will automatically be written in APA 7th edition. Also, there are websites that run statistical tests such as the paired sample t-test, regression, correlation, and you just have to put your raw data and the results will be computed in just a minute with interpretations. There are also new data collection methods that are fit for the new normal. Just for disclaimer, I'm not dismissing the newbies in research. I'm just telling this because I wanted to emphasize that if you are already immersed in research, based on my observations and also based on our local data, it would benefit us and the schools and the offices if you sustain your interest in research. It is needless to say how powerful research is in many aspects. Research choose data. Research is instrumental in creating a big change. As you know, leaders were very busy people like us. Having said that, they do not have much time to nitpick each and every data that we have in each and every school and offices. That's where our role as a researchers come in. We researchers were the ones to ask why. We ask what happened, what will happen, and what to do next. It is noble to ask questions. It is noble to seek answers. It is noble to be a voice in an institution full of noises. People listen to data, leaders listen to research. Again, thank you and congratulations to Team Maragondon. We thank the Lord for having each one of you in the